Looks like there's a mama in there. It's a pretty big nest. I don't know what kind of a bird it is. I thought they were swallows, but I don't think so. It looks like there's babies right to the left. They haven't flown the coop yet though. Pretty cute. She's right on the side of this building. The dad is trying to dive bomb me. He does not want me here at all because he wants to bring him some food. And I hope it doesn't gross you out, but because they don't like to foul their own nest, they hang their little butts over the nest and poop outside the nest. Their nest is very clean inside. You have to admire that, but it makes a huge mess. It's why farmers do not like swallows to build nests in the barn. And there is upriver of the Snake River on the other side.